But producing Vinho Verde, it's very good already. Nowadays we are the major producer in the appellation. So we wanted to try something else from a neighboring region called the Douro. So the Douro is where the port wine comes from. But actually some really good table wines come from there too. So that's why we first launched a red wine called Charamba or Caramba. It was our first incursion outside of this appellation, and it reminds the terroir, which is the schist and the river, the Douro River, and a very hilly terroir with a very warm weather. Also working with indigenous varieties, in this case a blend of 4, and with our signature below, which is Aveleda. It's how some Americans call it, it's bang for the buck, a very good value for money. Later on, we purchased an estate in a little bit further south, in a region called Bairrada. So the weather is different, also quite mild, mild summers, mild winters, and some clay and limestone in the soil. And that gives us some richness and ripeness that we couldn't find here or in the Douro region. And we decided to plant very famous varieties, such as Cabernet Sauvignon, with a very Portuguese one called Touriga Nacional. We vinified separately. Each variety ages for 1 year in the barrel, and then after the blend, we age it another year in the bottle, and then it goes to the markets. And it's